What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs, back with another banging video. And in today's video, we will be embroidering on a dad hat. And what we will be embroidering is, it's a good friend of mine. He has a towing service. So their business and logo name is H3 Towing Services. I will have everything in the link below. Also, they do have an Instagram as well as a website. I will have everything down in the link below. So if you're in the Cleveland area, well, let's say this, if you're in the Ohio area, because I know they travel a lot, they do a lot of towing. And yeah, if you're in any of those areas, as far as the Cleveland, of course, Ohio, and I think they do out of state, if I'm not mistaken. So if you have any inquiries about getting in contact with them, I will have the number right here on the screen. There you go. Also, I will have everything down in the description below. So if you want to contact them, you can. And here is their business card as well. There you go. So we will be embroidering on a dad hat, their logo. So let's go ahead and jump into it. I already have everything hooped. That's because I was kind of rushing. I also had to record a couple of more videos. So I already hooped it, but if you need to know how to hoop the hat, I will have that up here in the top right corner. So you can go ahead and check that link out. Without further ado, let's get it started. So when I created the design, I really had to do it from scratch because, as you can see, I tried to do the logo just like it is on the card. So it's a slash in between it where I could fit the towing services. So I had to create that, like I said, on my own. If you want to see that video as well, I mean, it's not that long, but I can also give that video. But yeah, so I had to create it on my own. Wasn't no copying and pasting. I had to literally draw it from stitch to stitch as far as the top and the bottom, as well as the number 3. Also, this isn't going to be a long video. It's about 9 minutes, so I'm gonna let it play out. And yeah, if you guys need anything digitized, please do not hesitate to contact me, as well as any type of apparel you want embroidered. Contact me. My description, my link is in the description below, as far as my Instagram, as well as my email address. Sorry about that. So go ahead and contact me and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. I have a lot of people contact me, and so it gets kind of busy, but for the most part I do respond. If you follow me on YouTube, you know that I respond to mostly everyone's comments. So All right, so now that that's done, we're off to the words. Like I said, it's not a long video. It's going to be pretty quick. But once again, if you guys know me, I support, and I definitely support. That's one thing that, like I said, I've always wanted to do, is just help out others. It's not about me. It's about helping out others. So that's my main goal. And hopefully I can reach that. Sorry about that, guys. All right, everything is done. Like I said, not a long video. Didn't want to stress you guys out. So yeah, everything is good. So I am going to take it out of the hoop bracket and show you guys the final result. So definitely stay tuned to the video. And if you have not done so and you're still here watching, go ahead and do me a huge favor and hit those notifications. Subscribe to the channel as well as thumbs up the video and share the video, guys. It'll be greatly appreciated. Thank you. Take the clips off. Of course, take your backing out. I'm cleaning the rest of it up off camera, but let's take a look. Let's take a look. All right, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Do it look good? Yes, no, maybe so. Throw it away, put it in a garbage bag. Is it literally dog water? Let me know. Looks good to me, not gonna lie. Looks great. There you go. If you want to know his email address, phone number, everything is right here on the screen. There you go. So, once again, as always, guys, this is your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs. Stay blessed and always continue to strive for greatness. And I'm out. Peace.